Hey guys, Resonant-Start 12 here, back at it again with another lighting video. And this video is just going to be short and sweet. Today we are going to be watching 9 Resonant-Start CFLs starting up at the same time. Okay, so who else loves watching Resonant-Start CFLs turn on? I sure do. Resonant-Start is such a cool startup. But anyway, we have 9 CFLs on screen here, some of which are plugged into little adapters, and some of which are plugged into actual fixtures, as you can tell. So I'll just quickly go through what each of these CFLs is. Starting over here on the left, this is a Satco 15 watt PAR-30 CFL with a helical CFL inside, as you can tell. So that's what that CFL is. It's a flood, of course. This CFL is a GE 13 watt helical CFL. This one is a IKEA 11 watt CFL. This one here is a Sylvania 15 watt CFL. This one in here is a GE Covered 15 watt CFL. This one here is a early GE 14 watt helical CFL. And this one is a GE 26 watt helical CFL. This one is a ProLume, I think it's 15 watts, G25 CFL, and that one is 5000K, which is interesting. So, a little bit of a different color temperature there. All the rest of them are warm white. I think this Sylvania here is 3000K, and the rest are 2700K. And then finally, we have a Lights of America 13 watt electronic PL adapter. That was one of the first CFLs that I made a video of. Actually, I think it was the first CFL I made a video of. So anyway, I'll go ahead and turn off some lights here. Make it pretty dark in this room. And that's very nice. And now, let's go ahead and turn on all 9 of these Resonant-Start CFLs at the same time in 3, 2, 1. Oh no, that one wasn't on. Oh, well, there you go. I thought I turned that on beforehand. I guess I didn't. Whoops. Well, anyway, that looks super cool on camera. It looks cool in person, but that looks really cool in camera. On camera, as you can tell. So we'll go ahead and speed up the video while we wait for these guys to warm up. Okay, I'm pretty sure these are all up to full brightness now. You can see the oddball one, the globe CFL there. That is, of course, the daylight instead of the warm light. Woo! It is bright like the sun in here. This is over 100 watts of CFLs going right now. This is pretty cool. Wow, I love the startup of them all together. I can't believe this one was off. I thought I turned it on, I was sure I turned it on, but I guess I didn't. So, sorry, but we got to see it turn on anyway. So, that's a good thing. Let me show you how bright this room is. These are parts of my room that you've never seen before. There's my desk over there where I normally do videos. Those might get a video sometime. It's so bright in here. So, yeah. Well, those were all the Resonant-Start CFLs starting up at the same time. Let's go ahead and do that one more time. Some of them have a Resonant-Start again, but most just start up instantly after the first try, which is so annoying when I'm trying to watch them start up, because it's like I have to wait 5 minutes between turning them on. But anyway, okay, we'll do it one more time because I love it so much. That's so cool. Well, anyway, I hope you enjoyed this short-ish video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment. Until next time.